Hey everyone, so don't waste your money this Black Friday. If you're going to splurge, make it on something that actually touches your skin every single day. And for me, that is Eve Lom, a brand that I've been using for over 20 years now, which is hard to believe since I don't look a day over 12. Now use code BF35 and you get 35% off site-wide. Plus, you'll get a free 50ml foaming cream cleanser with every purchase over £65. Let me just reiterate, 35% site-wide. I know, you're welcome. Let's jump straight in. So first up, this is a 12-day calendar in a beautiful keepsake box with the golden London cityscape on it. Now it is very giftable, very leave it out on your dressing room table, pretend you're tidy. Now inside you've got a proper edit of all their icons. You've got the cleansing balm, the cleansing oil, the rescue mask, plus you've got serums, eye creams, and of course moisturizers. It's basically a full routine behind little doors. Now just quickly, speaking of the cleansing oil, honestly, there is nothing like this on the market. The first time I tried this, my skin was left so soft, unbelievably soft, that I genuinely was like, you have to try it to believe it. It is truly epic. So if you've ever wondered why I love Eve Lom so much, but you didn't want to commit to full sizes just yet, this is the best way to try a lot of the range for less. Or you could give it to someone who is really into skincare and pretend you spent far more than you did. Now, if you just want workhorse hero products, the Restorative Beauty Set is the one. Now inside here, you'll get, of course, the Cult Cleanser, the Rescue Mask, and the Daily Rejuvenating Cream. Now this is designed to cleanse, purify, and just restore the skin. It is a proper ritual here, not just a random trio thrown into a box. So let me walk you through how I use these. So step one, the iconic cleanser. This is a balm that melts everything. Now use it with the included muslin cloth. This will remove your makeup, your SPF, your horrible day, everything just disappears. It hydrates, it tones, it exfoliates. It is the best cleanser in the world. It has a blend of botanical oils which leave the skin soft, never stripped. Honestly, this is baby soft skin. I've used this cleanser for 20 plus years, almost nightly. Step two is the Rescue Mask. Now use this a couple of times a week. It is absolutely beautiful. It uses a honey-infused clay which purifies and conditions the skin, and there are slight ground almonds to gently exfoliate. This is brighter skin, people. The first time I used it, way back when, I honestly couldn't believe how bright and healthy my skin looked after using it. It was incredible. Now, step three is just a touch of elegance with the Daily Rejuvenating Cream. Now, this is a beautiful cream, gentle enough for twice daily use and calibrated for both immediate and long-term results. Now, this delivers a dose of essential hydration that lasts for up to 10 hours on the skin. It is perfect for under makeup, and I mean that it works beautifully. It is clinically proven to help to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and just improve the look and firmness of the skin. It is so beautiful. So if you're tempted by all the Black Friday noise out there, my advice, just skip that random palette that you're only going to use twice and instead put your money into a really luxurious routine that you can use every single day. I will leave all the links and the Black Friday offers, everything in this video right down there in the description box. If you've ever wanted to try Eve Lom, this is the time. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe. It's what all the attractive people are doing.